guys, look at all the snow. I've got an umbrella so my camera doesn't get wet, but it's snowing. Do you see it falling? It's a wonderland. Ah, it's so pretty. Oh, let's see if I can. I have my panda hat on because it's chilly. Oh my god, I don't want to step in this perfect snow. Look, like no footprints or anything. Oh my goodness. Ah, geez. So hard to hold all this stuff at the same time. Oh, okay. Snow. I keep covering like the speaker. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to, but oh my god. Look at it. Look at my footprints. I want to go to the lake. Oh, it's so windy. Oh my god, it's freezing. Maybe we won't go to the lake, but look at the snow. It's been snowing like all day, like I told you guys it would. You can't see how like heavy it really is snowing in the camera, but in real life it's like you can't even see. Like it looks like fog almost, but it's snowing really hard. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cold. I wanted to show you that. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Is it losing focus? It's like not in focus. Oh geez. Look at all that. All those flakes. It's wonderful. So wonderful. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside because it's really windy and this stuff isn't helping. I've got snow in my hair and all over me. Wow. Look at our steps. You like can't even see our steps. Look at. I mean, you can see them, but like when the other days of snow come, that's not going to be there anymore. This is only day 1. We have like 3 more days to go. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Not really, but look at it. Look at it. You can't even see. Oh god. I'm trying to like go in focus over there. Come on. I wanted to show you the magical tree-covered bush, but tree-covered bush, snow-covered bush. What am I what? Oh my goodness. Snow kitty! Hi, pumpkin! Oh, you won't go inside. It's so cold. Oh. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, babe. Baby. Oh, I love you. Okay, we're gonna go inside now. I love you guys so much. I hope it's not snowing too bad where you are. Bye. I love you. Neighbor dog.